Himani, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here then welcome to my channel. And today I bring to you a super cool styling video where I'm gonna style an oversized graphic t-shirt in 10 different ways. As you all know, I'm always looking for ways to get more wear out of what I already have in my closet, and I love sharing these tips, hacks and ideas with you guys. So I recently decided to style this oversized graphic t-shirt in different ways. Now, given the current situation, I think most of us have been wearing such loose, comfy clothes most of the time, at least I am. And t-shirts like these are so comfortable, plus they are super versatile, can be styled in so many different outfits, and they add an instant cool factor to an otherwise basic outfit. So if you also have a graphic t-shirt, or even if you don't have one, just watch this video till the end. Hopefully you'll find some useful tips and ideas, and make sure to share and give a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, bell button, you know the drill, and let's get started. I'm gonna start with the coolest and one of my favorite looks, and that is to style the oversized graphic tee with a pair of biker shorts. Here I'm wearing it with these super cute neon pink shorts, and completed the look with a fanny pack and these black and white combat boots for some edge. It's easy breezy and allows you to play around with infinite colors and tees. Or you can keep it simple with plain black biker shorts like this. To break this all black look, I'm tying a denim jacket around my waist. And I've dressed it up a bit by pairing it with clear sandals and the small shoulder bag. A super chic way to wear an oversized t-shirt is by converting it into a muscle tee. Pull down your bra strap and roll up the sleeve with it. Now tuck it in on your shoulder like this, and you have a brand new DIY muscle tee. For this look, I've tucked my t-shirt in a pair of off-white, high-rise paper bag waist pants. These pants are so in these days. And dressed up the outfit with a pair of anchor strap heels and this pastel blue handbag. Lend a cool 70s groove to your graphic tee by pairing it with a satin skirt and leather jacket. I've tucked my t-shirt in this deep yellow goldenish midi-length skirt, which also has a front slit. You can also tie your t-shirt in a front knot. And then I completed the look with a black leather jacket, black ankle boots and a small bag. I think this outfit is feminine yet edgy and perfect for a day or night out. A comfy and casual way to style a graphic t-shirt is by wearing it with denim shorts and blazer like this. I tucked in my t-shirt, used a belt and topped it up with this fitted black blazer. It's a great way to give a slouchy tee some structure, and to make it casual, I dressed down the outfit with a backpack and white sneakers. A little dressed up and polished version of this combo can be to wear an all black look and throw an oversized blazer in a different color. Like here, I tucked my t-shirt in a pair of black cotton shorts and threw a tan brown oversized blazer on top, and completed the look with a structured handbag and Oxford shoes. Another fun way of styling a graphic tee is by wearing it over a slip dress. I started off with this simple plain black satin slip dress, wore my t-shirt on top of it and tied it in a front knot. Also roll up the sleeves and complete the look with sneakers and backpack for a super cool and comfy outfit. I used these statement yellow sneakers and yellow backpack for that pop of color. Transform your graphic tee into a super cute and girly outfit by wearing it with a skater skirt. I tucked the t-shirt in this cute high-waisted baby pink skater skirt, left the sleeves hanging loose and used my favorite beret hat for those Parisian vibes. also completed the look with these black lace-up booties and a statement sling bag. Convert your long graphic tee into a crop top to flaunt some midriff. Just fold up your t-shirt to the desired length like this, tie all the loose fabric at the back using a hair tie, tuck it in, and you have a newly cropped top ready in no time. Team it up with high-waisted leather pants, some statement heels, and a crossbody bag, and you are all set for a girls' night. For a super easy breezy summer look, try pairing your graphic tee with a pleated skirt. Instead of tucking it in this time, I left it loose and gave some definition by wearing this wide belt bag in crossbody style. As for the accessories, I kept it minimal with just a baker boy hat. And completed the look with these white kitten heel sandals. Adding some animal print is the cool girl's secret to styling a graphic tee. And my favorite way is to pair it with a leopard print mini or midi skirt. I also used a belt to define the waistline and paired it with white sneakers for an edgy casual look. Complete the look with layered gold necklace and a cute bag. My last look is inspired by Veronica Heilbrunner's relaxed casual outfit and is perfect for a slightly cold weather. Get a little creative with the layering by wearing your graphic tee over a turtleneck top for extra warmth and cool bonus points. I've rolled up the sleeves of my t-shirt a little and paired it with straight fit ripped jeans, a layered neck piece, black pumps, and this animal print shoulder bag. I think it's an effortless street style outfit to wear any day of the week. And it's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please share and give a thumbs up if you did. I also did a white t-shirt styling video a couple of months back. I will link it up over here in case you want to check out. And for this video, please do let me know in the comment section below which of these styles or outfits was your favorite. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by either hitting that red subscribe button down below or by clicking on my picture in this small circle over here. Also, hit the bell notification button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you later. Bye.